All right, I got a question for you. I want to know, where is the best place to kiss a woman? Where is the best place to kiss a woman? Okay, I want you to think about that. Come up with your answer. Give me the answer in the comments below. Before you watch the rest of this video, pause if you have to and go enter that in. All right, you ready to hear? I'm Beth, darling, your sexy genius, and I want to talk to you about where is the best place to kiss a woman. I'd say anywhere. Anywhere in the world and anywhere on her body. And maybe even everywhere in the world and on her body. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, if you've been in a relationship for probably over about a year, you've fallen into some habits. When it comes to sexy stuff, you probably kind of do the same things over and over. You might vary them a little bit. Maybe you French kiss to get things started. Or maybe you just quick kiss and then start working your way down her body. You know, people have different pathways. But pretty much in relationships, the problem is that we find a pathway or two and then we stay on them over and over and over again. And that's what leads to the problem with BMS, boring married sex. So I want you to throw those paths out. Really, just ignore those paths. Pretend you're in a brand new journey. And I want you to think about kissing her everywhere in the world and everywhere on her body. All right, now, if you're out in public, you probably don't, you can't just pull up her dress and skirt and start kissing her pussy in the grocery store. But you know what you can do? You can take her hand and you can kiss. You can kiss all the way up. You could take her fingers and kiss her fingers. I don't know when the last time, if you've been together with somebody for a long time, I don't know when the last time you kissed each other's fingers or sucked their fingers. But even putting my own finger in my own mouth, it's just erotic, it's sensation, it's exciting. So start nibbling, kissing, licking, go to the neck, but don't do it really hard, do a super soft, just a teasing one. Look over her shoulder while she's got the grocery cart and you just start kissing and licking on her neck. No obligation, okay? You might not be able to even fuck for hours or days, doesn't matter. Oh my God, it's so exciting. And she'll be like, what are you doing? Like she'll try to be annoyed. Don't let that get to you. Just keep doing, just say, I just need to kiss you. And I just want to kiss you here. Oh, and by the way, maybe if you drop something and you bend down to pick it up, maybe you kiss her thigh. You can't see, sorry, I'm like fondling my leg. I'm getting all carried away here. But damn, it just feels so good when there's an unexpected kiss and a little bit of a tongue, just a little lick, maybe a nibble. Oh my gosh, just on the inside. Oh, the back of the knees for some people is so erogenous, so sexy. So start paying attention and see how many different places, geographically, as well as anatomically, you can kiss her. Not with the expectation that it has to lead to sex, to penetrative sex. But I promise you, the act of kissing should be so much sexy fun. It should excite and tease and arouse both of you. And maybe when you start doing this to her, she's gonna be like, wait, I'm gonna start doing that back to you. You'll come, okay, if you must, if you must. Oh my gosh, I had a client who literally in the grocery store was trying to get through the list and his wife was just kissing him and kissing and nibbling and teasing, biting on his ear and whispering in his ear. And he was like, he pretended to hate it so much, but he told me it was like the best grocery trip he'd ever had in his whole life. And they've been together 20 something years already. That's the difference it can make, right? It just can be fun and silly, exciting and intimate. So where's the best place to kiss a woman? Everywhere, anywhere, all over. Start going, see what she responds to, try different kisses, and see who can surprise the other with as many different kisses as you can. All right, now go back and see what you wrote And I want you to think about it and think, okay, now with this in mind, where do I want to kiss her, right? And put those in the comments below. Tell me where you're dying to kiss her, where you haven't been kissing her and you realize, even just realize now that you miss it. I'm Beth, darling, your sexy genius. It's so much fun to be with you and to help increase your orgasmic, passionate, intimate pleasure. Go to sexyedschool.com. You can check out my classes all about cunnilingus, blowjobs, prostate play. You can get a free story just for signing up for the newsletter. Also, you can find my podcast, Come With Us podcast there. So please go to and enjoy. And by the way, at sexyedschool.com, you can use the code YouTube for $20 off whatever class you sign up for. Big hugs. You can find me at beth@darlingway.com. Send me any questions, comments, thoughts, feedback, and I'll try to answer them for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.